My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. This is the 2013 Hyundai iX35. This vehicle has a manual transmission and a diesel fuel type. On the steering wheel, we have features such as voice control and cruise control. We also have automatic wipers and automatic headlights. On the screen, we can get quick access to radio, media, and Bluetooth. If you put the vehicle into reverse, we can hear that it comes with parking sensors. We also have heated seats on either side. As we go into the back of the vehicle, you can see that all of the seats have a black leather trim. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening times are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.